Hi, I'm Jayne from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my Quilt Block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the Sailboat Block. These are instructions to make a 12-inch block. And if you'd like to know how to use this block in a quilt, please watch to the end of this video where I've got some illustrations to show you how to use it. You will need 4 3.5-inch squares in background fabric, and 3 4.5-inch squares in background fabric. You'll need 2 4.5-inch squares in fabric A, two 3.5-inch squares in fabric B, and 1 4.5-inch square in fabric B. And you will need 1 3.5 by 12.5 strip in fabric C. Making the half square triangles. Using the 4.5-inch squares in the background fabric and fabrics A and B. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the background squares. Pin right sides together with fabrics A and B. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. Cut on the drawn line. Press the seams towards the darker fabric with a seam roller. Trimming the half square triangles with a standard ruler. Lay the 45-degree line on the ruler on top of the seam. And line up the left and bottom edges at just more than 3.5 inches. Trim the top and right edges. Turn the unit round and lay the 45-degree line on the ruler on top of the seam. And line up the left and bottom edges at exactly 3.5 inches. Trim the top and right edges. Trimming the half square triangles using a specialty ruler. I use the Quilt in a Day Triangle Square Up ruler by Eleanor Burns. Lay the stitched line on the 3.5 inch line on the ruler. Then trim along the two edges of the ruler. Press and trim the dog ears off. Block layout. Press your units and lay in the block layout. Pin the small units as shown. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to the block layout. Pin in rows as shown. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to block layout. Press the seams in opposite directions. Pin in rows as shown. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to the block layout. Pin the two halves together as shown. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and press the seams open. Congratulations, you have made the Sailboat Block. Here are some quilt options. This is an illustration of the quilt repeating the same block. There is no sashing or borders, but the use of the white background fabric in the block allows the design and fabrics to stand out. This is an illustration of the quilt repeating the same block but with sashing, cornerstones and borders. And finally, this is an illustration of a sampler quilt using some of the blocks from this Quilt Block series. The sashing in this quilt is in the white background fabric. The cornerstones and border is in a darker fabric to pop and frame the quilt. Want to learn more? Watch another one of my videos from the Quilt Block series. Click above to go to my playlist. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.